In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text size and color of your Shopify announcement bar. Having a customized announcement bar can really enhance the look of your store and help communicate important messages effectively. We'll walk through the process together, from accessing your theme's code editor to modifying the CSS file. By the end of this guide, you'll have exactly the announcement bar appearance you've envisioned. Let's start by accessing the code editor. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, navigate to Online Store, and then to Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme displayed. Next, click on the three dots located next to your current theme and select Edit Code. This action will take you to the area where you can make changes to your theme's files. Now that you're in the code editor, it's time to locate the CSS file where we'll make our adjustments. Head over to the Assets folder. Inside, look for a file named base.css or something similar, depending on the specifics of your theme. Open this file to prepare for editing. We're going to add some CSS code to modify the announcement bar precisely how we want it. Scroll to the bottom of the base.cs file and paste the following code. Announcement bar message font size 20px. Adjust the size as desired. Color #007bff. Adjust the color code as desired. Let's break this down a bit. The CSS selector .announcement bar /message targets the text of your announcement bar specifically. The font size controls the text's size. You can adjust the value to fit your preference using pixel values like px, em, or rem. The color property lets you define the text color. You can use predefined color names like blue, or choose more custom shades with hex codes such as #ff000. After making your desired adjustments, the next step is to save these changes. Make sure you click Save in the code editor to apply the modifications you've just entered. Once you've saved the changes, visit your Shopify store and refresh your page to see the updated announcement bar displayed. If you prefer a simpler way to adjust the color without editing the code, you can explore the theme editor. Not all themes offer this, but if yours does, navigate to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. From there, look for the announcement bar settings, and you might find an option to change the color directly through the editor. Keep in mind a couple of important considerations. The CSS file name and structure might vary based on the theme you're using, so you may need to adapt your approach accordingly. Additionally, if your changes don't seem to take effect, consider using important after the font size or color declarations to override any conflicting CSS rules. Lastly, remember to think about mobile responsiveness. The announcement bar should look just as great on mobiles as it does on desktops. You can achieve this by using media queries within your CSS to tweak styles for different screen sizes. And there you have it, a personalized announcement bar for your Shopify store. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.